Congress appears to be in deep crisis in Rajasthan 3 months after it lost Jyotiraditya Scindia and Madhya Pradesh to BJP after a long-drawn tussle between the old guard and the new. Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot, once a contender for the state's top post, is in Delhi with some of his loyalist MLAs and may talk to the party leadership. Sources said he got hugely upset after receiving a notice for questioning by the anti-terror squad. Actor Amitabh Bachchan, who was diagnosed with the novel coronavirus on Saturday, is reportedly in a stable condition. The public relations officer of the Nanavati Super Speciality Hospital in Mumbai, where Amitabh is admitted, gave a health update that Amitabh is stable with mild symptoms and is currently admitted in the isolation unit of the hospital. Amitabh's son, Abhishek, has also been diagnosed with COVID-19. He too has been admitted at the hospital. India's new cases of coronavirus infection reached a record high on Sunday. According to the Union Health Ministry, 28,637 new cases were identified in the 24 hours since 8 a.m. on Saturday. The total is now 8,49,553. This is the third consecutive day that COVID-19 cases in the country increased by more than 26,000. India also witnessed 551 deaths during the last 24-hour period, taking the total number of deaths in the country to 22,674. 5 states, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh have contributed the maximum to the single-day spike. 2 key accused in the smuggling of 30 kg gold through diplomatic channel in Kerala's Thiruvananthapuram have been taken into custody from Bengaluru by the National Investigation Agency. Swapna Suresh and Sandeep Nair were missing since their names cropped up in the case. Another accused, Sarith, has already been arrested by the Customs Preventive Department. Patidar leader Hardik Patel has been appointed the new working president of the Gujarat Pradesh Congress Committee on Saturday. Patel rose to prominence when he led an agitation by the Patidar community in 2015 demanding that the community should get benefits of the quota for the backward caste. He joined the Congress on March 12, 2019 but did not contest the Lok Sabha elections that year due to his conviction in a case. US President Donald Trump wore a face mask in public for the first time on Saturday, finally yielding to the intense pressure to set a public health example as the coronavirus rampages across America. Trump had on a dark mask featuring the presidential seal as he walked through the corridors of Walter Reed Military Hospital outside Washington to meet with wounded veterans.